Welcome Year 3s, your very first Big Maths Learn It session. Let's explain how this is going to work. So you are going to start on the same step as what you were on in school. So you might need to remember what step you were up to, and if you can't remember, go and get your home learning book and have a look through at what step you were working on before. Now, for today's session, ideally you want to print out of the Learn It test, which I have put a link for on your timetable for today. If you haven't got a printer at home, that's okay. You can either copy the questions into the back of your maths book. So I'll show you the questions in a moment on the video, on this one. Or you could have the PDF document in front of you on the computer screen whilst you're timing yourself, and then just write down the answers by looking at what the question says on the screen. Okay, so you've got a choice there. So pause the video and just check that you're ready to go. Okay, so let's check you've got the right quiz paper in front of you. So if you're on step 7, you should have the paper that looks a bit like this. Step 8. Or you might be working on step 9, which looks a bit like this. Just check you've got the right papers. Okay, and now I'm going to be playing a little jingle. So you could time yourself to this with this jingle. If the noise is a distraction, or you'd like to time yourself separately from the video to do this, you can do. We only do it in a minute though, don't we? So you do as many questions you can in just 1 minute. And then you can tune back into this video to mark your answers afterwards. I'm going to play the jingle now because some of you I know want to do it with the jingle. Now it sort of plays some music first and then it tells you when to go. So get your pencil ready. You're not going to start straight away. You've got to listen to what the jingle's telling you to do. And at the end of your minute, it will count you down and then it will tell you to put your pencils down. Okay, so let me just share with you the jingle, and then you will need your pencil ready when it tells you to start. Okay.
Big Maths, beat that! Welcome to Big Maths, beat that! I hope today is a day you beat your best ever score. Ready, steady, go! Three, two, one. Pencils down. Okay, let's see how you did.
I hope you enjoyed that, everyone. Let's go back to our answers then. Swap your pencil for a sharp colouring pencil or a purple pen, and we will mark our own work today. So you'll need to pause the video when it gets to your test paper. So step 7, step 8, and step 9. Well done, everyone. So just add in what at the bottom of your page, what your total was. If you finished with all correct answers, send me a message and you can have a go at the next step next week. Okay. Now, just a little note, when you come back into school, we will be assessing you all again, just to check that you are definitely on the right level. So if you're finding that you're going up in the levels, we might just have to reassess you again when you come into school, just to double check that is definitely the level you need to be on. Okay, so we might need to sort of push you around the levels perhaps if it doesn't end up being the right one for you. So well done for today. If you didn't finish all your answers today or had some that were answered incorrectly, highlight 3 of them that you think you're going to master this week for next week. So get your highlighter if you've got one, or your colouring pencil. Choose 3 that you're going to practice this week and get right for next week. Okay, and we're going to see if we can beat your score next week. Right, well done everyone. I will see you later on. Bye-bye.